My name is Rebecca Harrison, and I'm telling my two friends about my Genghis Grill Health Quest Challenge. And what that is a 60-day contest that is promoted by Genghis Grill. And what I do is I eat at Genghis Grill every day for 60 days, and I exercise, and I eat right and watch what I'm eating and that sort of thing. And then after the contest is over on April the 11th, I weigh, and it's done a percentage of weight loss, and whoever wins gets $10,000.
Seriously?
Yeah.
But it's eating Genghis?
Well, I'm eating other stuff too, but I eat there every day at lunch. So anyway, I'm really excited. I've been working very hard. I exercise at Gorilla Fitness 5 days a week, and it is kicking my booty. But I've lost, beep, I'm not telling anybody how much I've lost, but I've lost some weight, and I have a lot more energy, and
awesome.
I'm enjoying it.
High five.
How many people are in the contest?
There are 100 contestants.
Wow.
And so there's one for each location of Genghis Grill. So, and the company is based out of Dallas, so there's a lot of contestants in Texas, I think. But I'm enjoying it. So I only have like 30-something days left. So I'm almost halfway.
So you eat Genghis for one meal?
Yes. And I usually eat it at lunchtime.
Okay.
Yeah. So, okay. Thank you.